What's good, YouTube? Somebody boy back with another vlog. And today, I'm about to go meet Quan and V and I think Banter with them at the gun store real quick to get some ammo, and we're going to the gun range. So that's the plan. Whatever else we have in store for y'all today is what y'all gonna get. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, like the video. You might as well, it's right there. And while you're right there liking the video, you might as well subscribe. So I'm gonna catch y'all when we there.
Slow, right?
Bro,
Darius car is fast, bro.
This shit slow as fuck, right?
And we was doing like 80 roll. I was surprised this nigga was keeping up.
His car's a real drive car.
Yeah.
On the road.
Yeah.
Of course he's supposed to beat you.
Yeah. That shit crazy. Off the line though. Smoking.
No shit.
Now you be cheating. You
Bro.
be honking fast as fuck.
You hump, nigga, what you talking about?
No, but I'm saying like, bro, look.
You was gonna do that.
Nah, look, cause when I said this nigga Quan never want to race me, so I thought he was bullshitting.
How you
know
was in there like this?
Nah, I just hit it. But I thought Quan was bullshit cause he never want to race me.
He humped the horn, get what I do. Take off on his ass.
No, Quan know my shit faster than his.
What? You
Bro, you know that.
You just said I got the same car.
We do, but my shit faster because I got no sunroof.
We on the dry cleaners.
Bro, I was cutting his ass, bro.
It shit fast though.
Off the road,
It shit fast. Yeah, it shit fast.
So he got
It shit fast. Yeah, he got me for sure. It shit
I
fast.
couldn't see through the tent. I was like,
Nah, his shit fast as fuck.
track pack, okay, track pack.
What happened when I had rest Darius when you was driving?
Everybody know that.
Everybody know that?
It's not gonna leave him, but
You
I'm
beat
gonna-
him, but I don't know that car like that.
Oh,
And he lost. He was right next to Rob.
oh,
Right
We
next
raced.
to Rob.
Oh.
His Mero raced this, but I was driving.
yeah. His mirror fuck you up for sure. Off of 80, 60. Yes.
It was there.
I guarantee. You're
was
not
there.
gonna leave him.
Bruh,
You're not leaving him.
He beat Rob.
No, he didn't beat me. You're not gonna leave me though. I'm not gonna leave him though.
Make it make
I'm
sense.
saying.
Whoa.
He not gonna win, but I'm not gonna leave him. Like he gonna
What
be
is
like.
this nigga saying?
No.
I'm saying like I'm never gonna be in front of him where his front, my back is
Yeah,
in
you're not
front of
gonna
his
put a
front
car
leg.
on
I'm not gonna put a car on him.
No car over him.
And I guarantee this nigga not gonna cause my track faster than his shit.
No, it's not.
I know for a fact my track faster than this nigga track.
You got them big
And I,
titties out.
and I got the big.
And you was playing with us. I saw you.
I was in eco. I was in eco with
I saw
y'all.
you tapping the gas too.
I was in eco with y'all.
He said, Quan will never
I wanted to see what my eco was on here for y'all, and I was still pulling on that eco. I was still pulling on your ass.
All I say, just line that hoe up.
Y'all see that nigga that truck tried to cut you off?
Yeah.
He saw a brake check this
Yeah.
I was like, no, we ain't doing that. That bitch said,
I ain't gonna lie, that's
That nigga said,
crazy. I was not
I was like,
expecting.
yeah, bitch.
I was not expecting to beat him though, at all.
I knew you had it. See, the reason why we lost to Quan is because it was 2 passengers. You was by yourself this time.
My videos went green for me here. That just can't be.
But look at
When it's that close, it's
Vontae. Look,
it's the fuck.
my whole back seat filled.
Man, that's
I
little
still got,
knickknacks, man.
I
That
still
ain't
got the sub back here.
That's little knickknacks, man. This nigga got them big boy toys. Basketball, yeah, I can't hoop, man. We getting you the best hooper.
I ain't gonna lie, V probably better than me.
I'll be better than you. You was ranked. Oh, is he lying?
I wasn't lying.
You ranked?
Yeah,
So I'll be better than you.
I don't know. Bye.
Say hello to my little friend.
God damn! And that shit feel crazy. Kill that nigga, bro.
That nigga dead, boy. I tell you. Oh my god.
Bro, this nigga shot high as fuck.
I was aiming for the head, man. I hit him in the neck. Hey, I hit better than y'all. Y'all shot 50 bullets. I only shot 10.
Hell no, look at the head. Look at the head stretch.
That nigga is dead.
That shit is amazing.
That nigga is dead. Look at that.
I want to shoot this bitch like 3 times.
All right.
Oh, it's the drum? Oh, shit. I didn't even shoot my drum. That was the dick. You tripping. Damn. I'm about to shoot this drum. Vontae, you ready? Oh. I thought this nigga. I know that shit hurt.
What you say?
I'm finna enter this motherfucker right here.
Let me see some.
This is what we gonna try right here.
Stand back, you black bitch.
Just walking.
That shit feel better than the dick.
I'm just walking.
That shit feel better.
Oh!
That bitch feel better than the dick.
What you say?
It feel better than the dick.
Wait, Tama, what the fuck you do? Don't buy no fucking 40.
Yeah, that piece of shit.
Cause that 40 put a hole in your ass, nigga.
Yeah.
What did I hit?
I didn't even see.
Damn!
That shit made me twerk.
Shoot that bit. Let me shoot that bit. Look what I did to this nigga. What the fuck?
Damn.
Oh shit, what the hell you hit him with? What you hit him with now?
Legit.
With that Glockiana, nigga. I'm about to dunk this motherfucker.
Hey, try to hit this nigga in his on number 5.
In the middle?
Yeah.
All the way down there?
Yeah.
Alright. Damn, all the way down there?
Damn!
Yes, that's a 9 though, you can hit it. Damn, hell no, you can't hit that.
What you say?
You can't hit that.
You want this up? Which one to bet?
Huh?
Which one to bet?
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 It don't matter.
The 5?
I want to shoot.
The 5 is his argument earlier.
You gonna hit that, of course.
That's what I said. You thought the
I
5
was
was
like,
his head?
is that 5? Damn, bitch.
You gotta cock it, son. You gotta take it off safety, son.
Oh, no, don't shoot yet, don't shoot yet.
Hold it tight.
What? Move your face.
Yeah, your
right
face
there.
too close.
There's some flame on that, man.
Let me try one time.
Get the fuck back. Alright, let me see. I want to see that whole that though.
That shit feels crazy.
I want to see that bitch twice.
I must feel like this.
Oh my god. That bitch got some flame to it.
Like this. They started shooting. All I hear is his ass screaming. You a country boy for real. He's like, woo! Oh shit, that bitch feel good as fuck.
That shit in there?
Yeah.
That's what she said.
That's like shit.
Yeah.
I'm next, bro.
You gotta need my
I'm
clip.
next. I'm next. I'm next.
Yeah.
I'm next. No, it's not.
Feel crazy.
Oh, yeah.
How you put these in there, dude?
You push them down on top.
Like this? Go back in?
No, just push straight down.
Straight down?
Yeah.
Alright. It's already video for my shit, too.
Ah, look at that.
Video for you.
That shit ain't nothing, boy. What that is, a 380?
40
You talking about? 40 pounds. I thought you filled this bitch.
I only put 3 in there. AR pistol. That AR go ahead. Damn, that shit go fucking. Texting me. Texting me.
Do you want the brace on there?
Huh?
You want the brace on there?
Nah, I'm good.
All right.
Think I don't know about this, boy?
Sorry. That shit spitting.
That's cute. What is it gonna do with the big 40? That shit do not hit like that. Ain't nothing, boy. And I'm out. You ready? Alright, man.
Damn, that bitch goes stupid.
You gotta let go though. Like, you can't shoot that bitch. Go.
Let me get a try. Nah, that's crazy.
I ain't get the video.
I did. Try.
I ain't shooting all 30 at one time. That shit gonna be way too fast.
Straight.
Yep.
Straight.
Why you hold it like that?
Yeah. You gotta watch your face too. That shoots good though. Straight.
Let me try.
You want the brace?
Nah.
Okay.
Nobody else used the brace. Why would I use it? I ain't pussy like that.
Oh, sorry. I aimed for the arm and I hit the arm.
Alright, hold on. You ready? Hold on, you want 1.5 or ready?
Where y'all hold it at? Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't let your hand go in front of the barrel.
Yeah, that big.
What the fuck?
Heavy, ain't it?
Yeah. Woo!
I'm about to try some. Watch out.
You did not hit fire.
That shit hurt.
What you want me to take out the nose?
Yeah.
Face shot.
You can feel the wind from that shit.
You too high.
Oh, God.
They let you cut lines?
If y'all wanted to know, this is the worst nigga I've ever seen in basketball.
Oh.
You.
This is my boots. And what the fuck are you doing, nigga? Put it back down.
We men.
Go ahead. I can't tell that.
I can't give it. Let's play like men.
Whoa, back outside.
You thought that something, bro? Can't do it, dude.
Just knock the thing out.
What?
I saw a video and she was like, do the yellows don't match? I said, no, they're a little off. She was like, oh, I think I like Quan shit because the yellows throwing me off. So now they both like Quan car and Mama one can't say you will win 100%. Yeah, my dad didn't like yours because the door jams ain't met. But none of them like Green Goblin. That shit, Green Goblin was hideous to both of them. It grew on them though.
I think this is hard as
That shit
fuck.
grew me because at first I ain't like it.
This is hard as fuck.
Me personally,
Without
I think
that.
I like Island Boy shit a little bit more than the Mocha because for one, the wheels and it's sitting up high and then the door jam. But his yellows don't match and it's like,
Now,
in
I'ma
third person you notice it.
I'ma get matching yellow.
Who rapped this?
I don't fucking know.
What's your name, nigga? Fix this fucking shit before I kiss your booty
Nah, the
hole.
nigga that
I
did
like
this,
both of these
I might
shit.
have
Play
him
both
fix it.
Trackhawks.
Bro, they both hard as fuck. I ain't gonna say one of them ass.
I'm just impatient.
My Trackhawk gonna be better.
I
Than
just
Both of
have to
them,
pick a
my
day.
Trackhawk gonna be.
I just have to pick a day where I'm
Mine gonna be pink like my put.
knock this bitch off.
Oh!
I'm probably gonna choose a rainy day or something. But I'm gonna get him the match.
No, yeah. You rapping the or you gonna?
I'm gonna rap the I8.
I offer you.
What? What?
Alright.
I ain't never inquired about it.
Bro. This nigga's I ain't ever inquired.
Damn, if I get a trap, bro, my shit gonna be hard. Well, it's gonna be doing too much, but it's gonna be hard.
Man, my shit gonna be on honey.
Oh, honey?
Oh,
honey.
I'm gonna put a dick on my car.
It's gonna be on honey, nigga. The honeycomb. For you time at. Who are you?
What the fuck? That's not very business oriented.
I don't know who it is and I don't give a flying fuck, nigga. I be scamming.
Fucks don't fly. They walk. You gonna let me have this? That key.
All three of them?
No, one of them belonged to the black car. I'm keeping that one, or I would trade it with him.
What black car?
My black car.
Oh, yeah, I don't want that one.
Yeah, the one that belonged to that one, I gave to the dealership because they asked for it.
I only got one.
You would have to, well, yeah, you would only have one. Yeah, so you wouldn't have to pay for one because they would do it. Yeah. But I want 2 red eye keys. I mean, I want to cut that out.
I should have one. I only had one when I had
I'm gonna pay to get that one programmed.
It's only $90.
Yeah, but I want that one right there. I want that.
We just pulled up to the gate.
Oh, we look cool as fuck, bro. Everybody be looking, bro. The back is cooler. No, you can't get the back.
I don't want the back. I like the front. By the way. By the way. By the way. The cozy queen.
From above.
By the way.
Bitch, not from below. Yeah. What do you say? That shit on the floor. Pick it up. Olive green.
Olive green.
With a cream stripe.
Cream on the butt.
Yeah. He talking about filter.
Somebody's car smell like burnt ass.
Hey, I might like the fucking video, man. I'll beat the fuck out y'all, man.
You heard?
Hey! Man, fuck, he hate his job. Imagine Sean, look, like, this how Sean be, bro. This how Sean was. And this how Sean was.
Or Bree was like this. You like that, Sean? If he watches this, he gonna be mad as fuck.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
What you talking about?
I was just about to ask, you think them shit's good?
You wanna try?
A buttermilk ranch chicken bite. Bro! Nigga just smacked me in the
Exhaust pipe, so it can't spit out the air as fast. So if you got 2, then it go phew. It'll come faster.
I got paid. Nah.
I thought you were the one to drop the load off.
Appreciate it. You did good as fuck.
Take the purple off. That's how you know you think. You got too much roll.
What, bro?
He never drove a Jeep over the curb like me.
But that on the road right
Bitch, Green Goblin did more off-roading than both of these Jeeps ever did.
Not mine.
Yes. I took Green Goblin in the mud.
I did too.
So?
I took Green Goblin in the mud. Do your run.
We'll run.
Take your shirt off and run with a blanket.
Take the shirt off and all the old shot.
Shut up. That's why you got an RS.
Bite this cracker.
LS.
Oh no! You did not do that to my fucking No! Bro, what the fuck? You gonna eat it? You better not.
You should have picked it up faster. If
You better not.
Just take this tape off the top.
I'll smack your fucking Mokery card. Damn, bro.
You wanted that when I was the first one too,
Bro, what the fuck? Hey, I've been killing you, not that one, that. God damn.
How much is it to fill your shit up?
Huh? $50?
You want a clipper?
$50?
My shit 40 something. It's a 20, 22.
Hey!
I can see that shit right in your pocket. They're gonna let these people look.